Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and by the title of this video, we are throwing on the TE37S today. So you know what that means. It's time to sit back, relax, and eat snacks. Let's go! So whenever you plan on jacking up the car, obviously you need to make sure that you turn on your parking brake. Yeah, man, this is really good.
That's nonsense. And you should know better.
Oh, whoa, what the? Wait, Ivan? Alex? What's going on?
Yo, I haven't seen you in a long time, dude.
Dude, I know, it's been a while.
Dude, nice seeing you.
Missed you, dude.
I know, man.
Oh my god!
Wait, no, I got something for you.
Yeah, what's up?
No!
I've been saving this one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Aww.
What is going on, guys? Are you guys ready to throw on the TEs today?
Super excited.
Super. It's first mod for the Tesla, and we got more shit coming in soon.
Can't wait for you to use this, as always. Don't put that in there for
No.
I sound.
No, but like, can you just sound a little bit more like
Okay.
real?
Okay, do it again. Yeah, I'm just super excited.
No, redo it.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to sound like you actually want to do it.
Okay.
Okay?
Sorry.
People like the vlogs.
Okay.
I know you don't like being on camera. All right?
No, yeah, I'm just super excited.
If you watched the last video, these are the TE37s that I picked up a few weeks ago, and I haven't had a chance to throw them on yet. So today, we're gonna be throwing them on the Tesla. Now, I don't have any suspension upgrades yet, so we are gonna see probably a decent gap, but I think it'll look better than the stock wheels. We're just gonna do this, throw it on real quick, test fit it. This did come from a Model 3 before, so everything should fit perfectly. But yeah, we're gonna throw these on. We're gonna see how they turn out.
I have a real surprise for you guys. No more, none of this. I have a real surprise. But
Okay.
come here. Close your
I'm
eyes.
scared, I'm scared.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, my eyes are closed.
Put one hand out. Okay.
Oh, wait, what?
Here. One.
Are these snacks?
Two.
Oh.
It's a ube cookie.
No.
It's a cookie.
Yeah.
Right?
They're edibles, dog.
Oh.
No.
I'm about to get lifted.
No, I'm just kidding. No, my girlfriend made these.
Oh, thank you. Shout out Angie.
Should we do a taste test?
Yeah.
This is baked by Angie. Baked by Angelina. Baked by Angelina. Link down below in the description.
Yo, that's
Use that code. Yeah, we got cakes.
Save 20% off.
I want like a legit reaction. Don't like fake it. If
Oh, they're
not,
good.
If they're not good, they're not good.
Wow, they're really good.
Oh, they're really good. They're actually really soft.
Yeah, they're good.
They're baked fresh this morning.
Yeah, they're good.
I wish I had some.
I'm just kidding.
I wish I had some milk.
I got you. No, they're really good though. Better than crumble cookies.
This video is sponsored by Baked by Angelina.
Link is down below in the description if you guys want to place your order. These are amazing. Now that we got the cookies out the way, it's time to get to work. First thing we have to do is remove the wheel covers. So these nasty things are going away. Those wheels do look a lot better without this. Whenever you're lifting a Tesla, you need to use the pucks.
What the puck?
Why are you using that? I'm gonna get demonetized. Okay.
They're so strong.
Yeah. Smell this.
Ooh.
So there should be a hole underneath here. I feel it.
It's right here.
Cameraman, can you show this? Can you show it? Cameraman, can you show it, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. There's a little hole at the bottom. You just push this up, boom, and you just jack it from this point. If you guys are interested in this, and you have a Tesla, I'll have a link down below in the description. Nobody's gonna buy this. Do I look like a hardworking man?
You do look like you work on cars for a living. You got
tattoo, right?
the pants.
Wait, I just need the cigarettes. Smoke break after this. All right?
God. Yeah.
Dude, it's still ringing in my ear.
Huh? What?
Here we go. Just like that, baby. Stock wheels are 18s and we're about to throw on 19s.
Whoop-de-doo.
For you, my boy.
Write a book.
Just kidding, just kidding.
Oh, by the way, congrats on your new place, dude.
Just met our goal for the day. Standing for 6 hours.
Let's go.
And it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. It's crazy. Double it or pass it on.
Double.
Double it or pass it on. It's so stupid, dude. These are the new, very expensive lug nuts.
What makes them expensive?
The price.
Ooh, it free spins. That way you don't damage the wheels.
Oh, that's what that's for?
I think so. Either that or you don't damage the thread or something. I don't know.
All right.
Damage something.
Moment of truth.
See, Ivan, we could be doing this every weekend. Actually, we can't, but...
We can't afford that. We can't afford that. That's crazy. Dude, what if the gap is just like this? Sorry, you guys. No more stretch boys. Meaty boys.
Yep. It just slams. Any day.
What did he say? Crazy gap. Oh my goodness.
Wait, keep going lower. If you close your eyes, it doesn't look that bad.
You're right.
People are gonna look at the gap and be like, wow, look at that gap. Yo, look at those T's.
Whoa! It's like, it's legit one fist. One fist. But we're going on air sometime.
Shish kebab.
It looks almost
Dude,
big.
it looks like a monster.
I feel like, I don't know.
Dude, the rear is gonna be crazy.
It might settle down. I don't know.
This is with one TE.
Well, this bit got stuck on here, and Alex decided to use the wrong size. So now we have a little problem right there, getting to the edge. Now we can't get this out.
No, I got it. What's up?
You used the right one.
I'm pretty sure this is the right one.
It was
no.
not the right one. This one got stuck.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, so we're all done. I think we could just torque it later.
The rear wheel is on. Nice. Very nice. Added some tire shine to make these things pop.
21.
The car's like, why? Why?
I'm so sorry. Does it work out? Teamwork makes the dream work. Tuning the radio. 94.9? 102.5? 106.1? Chuy Gomez in the mix.
Hola, this is Carmen.
Who is that?
I think it was 90.9.
Shout out Carmen. All right. One more to go. Whew.
See, Ivan, we couldn't have done this without your help.
For real.
I mean, we could have, but we didn't want to.
It would take a lot longer. It's just more fun.
Yeah, of course it is. You're with the boys. Just relax.
First time we ever did something, we was out in your garage.
Yeah, that's right. We were talking about that. So the first time Ivan came out and hung out with us, we were plasti dipping my Genesis stock wheels.
Good time.
In the rain.
In the rain.
Some goofies. Ivan has been there through it all. That's why it's just like, it's taking us back. And I'm sure it's taking back a lot of you guys.
All the OGs.
Nobody watches these videos.
Definitely no one watches these videos. But I'm gonna watch this video like over and over again.
I'm gonna watch this video when I get home.
Wait, what if I just... No. Cue the cinematics.
I've been just spray painting the
He's
tires.
vandalizing your tires. Is it out?
There we go.
This little spot is bothering me, Ivan. Get the towel and just wipe it. Wouldn't it be crazy, Ivan, if I just pulled up like another one?
Yeah.
Oh damn! God damn!
Wait, where'd that come from?
I brought it.
You did?
Goofy ass.
He's
What's
more
up?
prepared than us.
Boy Scouts, always be prepared, homie.
Sheesh.
There's like barely
Eagle
anything in there.
Scouts, baby.
And it runs out.
I like the smell of fish shrimp.
Saucy.
Saucy boys.
All right, you guys, this is how the Tesla looks with the TE37s on them. I will admit, bro, it does look better than what the stock wheels look like, but this gap is bothering me so much. It's a pretty big gap right there, but I will take care of that eventually. We're going to be dropping off this car for wrap today or tomorrow. So wrap is going on next, and then we could work on suspension. But suspension is super expensive. I think I got quoted about 4K for airlift 3P. Yeah, man, that's a pretty penny. This is how everything looks right here. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe we could do some rollers a little bit later, but yeah, man, look at this freaking gap. Oh my god. Oh my, now I know what you're talking about. The Ash Wednesday. Okay.
What did you give up?
Would I give up?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, guys, we're working on David's car now. So for the longest time, he's been wanting to wrap the roof, and then what's this? What's the other part called?
So pretty much the roof, this pillar, and then this back spoiler, whatever thing right here.
So we're gonna attempt to wrap it today. We have no wrap experience. Ivan has wrap experience, somewhat. So we're gonna see how it goes.
I never rapped before, but I have like sang songs. What is love? Love is it you and I sharing lips under the scenery of the bluest sky.
If I told you I love you, would it be truth or lie?
I'll let you decide. I'll let you decide. And then we gotta clay bar it to make sure there's absolutely nothing and it's super smooth. All right, Ivan, let us know when you're done.
I broke a clip. Right there, right there.
You can send them an invoice. It's cool.
Not cool, dude. Like I was helping you out with your car. I didn't break anything in your cool Tesla, so.
We clay barred everything, cleaned everything up. Ivan trimmed this, and then we're gonna get to applying this, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I wanna say we've been going at this for maybe the past 2 hours. Does that sound? 2-3 hours? This is where we're at with things. I just wanna say respect to all rappers. It may look easy, but it probably took them so much learning time and trial and error to make it perfect. But this is not perfect. This is our first time doing this. We're still learning. But yeah, we're at this point right now. We do have a couple fingers over there. Like, it's not the best, but we're trying. And we're kind of coming to the last parts over there. But we're gonna try to see if we can fix some areas, do a little touch-ups here and there. But this is not as easy as we thought it would be.
We just finished wrapping this, but I'm not a rapper. I don't know if I did mention this before, but I have a roof rack going on here. So I was like, even if we don't do like 100%, maybe like 70% would be cool. Maybe get rid of some more air bubbles, but I'm gonna have a roof rack. Get rid of more air bubbles. No. I have a roof rack coming on here soon after this. So I'm like, no one's really gonna see it. As long as it looks cool in pictures, just don't walk up to it in person, you know?
And don't say anything. You know?
Don't say anything.
Rap for it, for a rap.
All right, you guys, here's how it turned out. It looks really, really good. So if you guys
Turn off the light. If you want to actually see it, just turn off the light. It looks a
it'll
little
look better. Yeah. Okay, got you.
Can you do a close up of the
I don't understand you.
Okay. Can you show it a little closer, like the details?
Sign language.
This is how it turned out. We do have a couple air bubbles here and there, but yeah, this is our first time.
I'm ready to trade in the car now after this.
Do a close up B-roll of the wrap.
No, we're good. They don't need to see it like that.
Okay. Did somebody order DoorDash? DoorDash?
So we all need to get scooters next.
Yeah.
Scooters.
Trading in the car, getting the scooter. Let's go.
And we're wrapping.
Just the way I am. I can never change for anybody. Give a fuck if ain't nobody understand me. See the money in my hands. That's when everybody acting friendly. You don't know me, so just stay the fuck around me. Bitch, I came in with a plan. I ain't doing all this shit for nothing. I got family and the ones that stay behind me. And I know I got a man. They don't ever wanna see me win and think I'm finished, but it's only the beginning. So I gotta keep my head high. I can be on standby. Why you keep on talking, bitch? You need to get your bread right.
All right, guys, we're going to end the vlog right here. It was nice seeing you, Ivan. Thank you. Thank you for joining me for today's activities. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys follow him, support him if you're in South SF. Stay Glossy Auto Detailing. And if you see his car around, take a picture, tag him. All right, nice seeing you. Drive safe. Goodbye.
It's been a long time.
Hey, oh, yo!